Hey, what's up? Today we're back working on the Ford Raptor. I received a check fuel inlet message, not a check engine light yet, and I went ahead and did what others did, clean out the fuel cap and all of that. I have another video on that. That did not work. So now I got the check engine light, and it was a P0456 or 1456. I'll put it here, the correct code and the screenshot of it. And it turns out to be, it goes back, everything's leading back to this purge valve. So here you go. So that's what we're going to work on today. Here's the part number in case you're having that problem. I cleared the code with my OBD reader. Now on other F-150s they show it like right here. Not for this bad boy. It's actually back there, right back there. Let me try to point out. Here's one bolt and the other one's on the bottom. So let's go ahead and change that out. Alright, so you want to get the two bolts are 8mm, so you want to get that ready. And then also there's going to be a plug in here. Well, not on this one, but on the one that's installed. Go ahead and take that out. Okay, the plug is off. It's only 2 wires. Again, 8mm. With those 2 8mm bolts removed, this is that first wire I was speaking of. Take that out, and then this is going to be a hose. This white piece is actually inserted, like slides up. There's going to be 2 pins or 2 tabs here. You just depress those and push this down, and this falls down like that. And then you just slide it out and then remove this. And there it is. Alright, we're just going to compare. This is the new one. This is the old one, obviously. So my understanding is that they either they stay stuck open or stuck closed. And what this does is actually helps the use vapors as fuel source. Now, what the problem I started having first was when I would fuel up at the pump, my truck would like stall. And it was only like, at the second try, it would start up, leave it for about 10 seconds, and then that's it. It'll work. I wouldn't have a problem until my next fill up, my next tank fill up, and then it'll happen again. I read the code, and it said the first thing on there was replace the purge valve. All right, here we're back in the rear part of the truck again, where the air intake is. We're gonna go ahead and push this back in, go in this orientation. There we go, it's seated. Go ahead and just push it in. Alright, once it's seated in there, see how those white prongs come out? Do it a good tug, we're good to go. Take the clip, put it on. That's good. Okay. 8mm bolt. I'm gonna fuel up, and then I will let you know if this worked or not once I post the video. It's pretty gonna be a yay or nay, and then we'll figure it out from there. All right, so this is the moment of truth. We're gonna see if the truck has problems starting after filling up. So fill her up. Here we go. Starts right up. This is the second time that I'm filling up my gas tanks, is replacing the purge valve. I'm currently filling up right now. There's the miles compared to the first time that I filled up, and we're gonna give this a shot, see if the problem comes back or actually went away. Let's see if it starts up. Boom. started right up, no problems. I think it's safe to say that if you're having issues with your truck stalling after filling up, you might want to look at the purge valve. Thanks guys, catch you on the next one.